Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to watch videos on the SHEIN application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the gal's icon down below, which is the fourth option. Click on media at the top, that's the third category, and then as you can see there's this video section. Here you can select from these hashtags which are basically categories such as SHEIN, editor's pick, accessories, clothing, beauty, live, fall, winter, and so on. Click on the relevant one that you are interested, and you will be able to see videos such as try on haul videos, and outfit ideas, but basically they are almost the same, meaning that they are mostly haul videos. So if you're interested in watching any of these, click on the relevant one, and then you will be immediately you will be able to watch the video by swiping up. You can proceed with these videos, and if you are interested in any items that are displayed in the video, you are going to see all of them down below, and you will be able to purchase the product. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.